You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, let's learn how to pronounce the name of the Italian version of the name Matthew in Italian. If you want to learn more Italian names, stay tuned. Matteo, that's how they say it in Italy, the Italian pronunciation. Matteo, double T, means you stress on that T. Make it twice as long. Matteo. Now, in English, it's normally pronounced more as Matteo. It has a double T normally. Some spelling, just put one T. Matteo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.